Assalamualaikum everyone, I'm Riddhi. Today we will talk about cost of production. The first topic we will discuss in cost of production is short run cost curves. So let's start. In short run cost curves, we will discuss about total cost, total fixed cost, total variable cost. So what is total cost, total fixed cost and total variable cost? Total cost is the overall expenses of a product or activity calculated by adding all fixed costs and variable costs. Then total fixed cost is the expenses that remain constant regardless of production output, like rent or insurance. At least, total variable cost is expenses that change or fluctuate in proportion to the level of production or sales. Now, here is the relationship among them. Here we can see total cost equal to total fixed cost plus total variable cost. Also, total fixed cost is not a function of Q, but total variable cost is a function of Q. Now, you may ask, what is Q? Q is the production or output. Now, here are some related topics. The first topic is average cost. Average cost is the total cost divided by the number of units of output produced. Now for the second topic, it is average variable cost. It is the total cost of variable inputs per unit of output produced. And then the third topic is average fixed cost, which is the total fixed cost divided by the number of units of output produced. And for the last topic, it's marginal cost. It is the additional cost to a company when it produces one more unit of a good or service. Now, here is the graph framework between TFC, TVC, TC, ABC, AC and MC. Here, the first line we see is the total fixed cost, which is a straight line as it's constant and doesn't depend or fluctuate in accordance with production or output. Then the blue curve is total variable cost, which starts from the ray of origin, and this orange curve is total cost and it starts from the total fixed cost line. That one acts as a tangent to TC and other acts as a tangent to TVC. Now if we extend the line from the tangent of TC, we get the minimum point of AC, which is average cost. Similarly, if we extend the line from the tangent of TVC, we get the minimum point of ABC. Now if we extend the dotted line from the point of inflection, we get the minimum point of MC or marginal cost. What is point of inflection? When the slope of a curve changes from positive to negative or vice versa is known as its point of inflection. And at least we can see MC intersects AC and ABC at the minimum points. Here is the relationship among them as I have described just now. To say it shortly, the relation between TC and MC is MC falls when TC is increasing at decreasing rate. MC is minimum at point of inflection and MC rises when TC is increasing at increasing rate. After that, the relation between TC and AC is minimum when ray from origin is tangential to TC. Before AC minimum, AC is decreasing. After AC minimum, AC is increasing. Then relation between TVC and ABC. ABC is minimum when ray from origin is tangential to TVC. Before ABC is minimum, ABC is decreasing. After ABC is minimum, ABC is increasing. And lastly, the relation between MC, ABC and AC. MC curve is passing through ABC and AC via their minimum points. Before AC or ABC is minimum, MC is less than AC or ABC, but after AC and ABC minimum, MC is greater than AC or ABC. For our second topic, it's long run cost curves. Here we can see if we add a number of short run total cost curves, we'll get a long run total cost curve, and the relationship that exists among them is the envelope relationship. The aggregate of the locus of all the short-term cost curves is the locus of the long-term cost curves. Here in this graph we can see TC equal to TVC and TC becomes a function of Q. Long run cost curve also represents a firm minimal cost for various output levels when all production inputs are variable. For the last topic, we'll discuss about the relation between the graph framework. In this graph, we can see at point E where SREC2 is minimum, LREC is also minimum. But to the left of LREC
So this
minimum,
was it.
SREC
Thank
is
you.
tangential
If you like this
to
video,
LREC
please
to
don't
the
forget
left.
to like,
And
subscribe and share.
At last, to the right of LREC minimum, SREC is tangential to LREC to the right. Now, if you look at this graph carefully, you will notice that there is no SRMC2. So, where is SRMC2? Here, LRMC and SRMC2 is overlapping each other, so we cannot see that. So, this was it for today. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye. Thanks for being with me till now.